Here's how you can make videos like this. Let's see how. First, you'll need this magic prompt. You'll find it in the video description. Just copy the prompt inside this box. Now open ChatGPT. Paste the prompt here and hit enter. You'll get 8 different options. Just type the number of the one you like and hit enter. And if you want to generate a video for a specific plant, I'll show you how to do that later. I personally like the strawberry one, so I'm going to type one and hit enter. Now copy this prompt and head over to Google Flow. Click on Create. Paste the prompt, then open Settings. Under the video generation settings, select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Since we're making this video for TikTok and Reels, I'm going to select 2 outputs here, and from the model options, select OmniFlash. Then click Save and hit Enter. You'll get an approval prompt here, so just approve it. And as you can see, the video is now generating. While that's processing, let's also paste the same prompt into Google Gemini. Choose Video Creation. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio and hit enter. The video will start generating here as well, and Google Flow is already done. Let's take a look at the result. Wow, Google Flow actually did a pretty good job. Now let's check the Gemini result. Personally, I like the Google Flow result a lot more. You can download the video from here. Now, if you want to make a video about a specific plant, just go back to the same ChatGPT conversation. All you have to do is type the name of the plant. For example, let's say I want to make a video about a mango plant. Just type mango and hit enter, and there you go. Your prompt is ready. Copy it and follow the exact same steps in Google Flow. Paste the prompt, go to Settings. Select 9:16, choose OmniFlash, click Save, and hit Enter. Approve it when prompted, and that's it. Your video is ready. If you run into any problems, let me know in the comments. I'll try to reply within an hour. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.